When NJ was about 5, NJ and her sister were with us a lot of weekends and some weeks during the summer. Us having contact with NJ went on for several years, to about 8, 9 years old. 6 years later, I got this strange message from somebody who introduced herself as a recruiter, and it was NJ trying to get in touch with us. She'd been through several foster homes. She was now in a treatment facility. She was done with this treatment facility, but they needed somewhere for her to go, and family was not an option. She had suffered trauma that she was still dealing with, so we knew that she would need kind of a special counselor.
We couldn't get her to open up to us. There was nothing we could do without some kind of outside intervention.
She stayed in her room a lot of the time. It was very much like having a stranger living in our house. We got involved with Oakland Family Services and got the trauma counselor that she needed.
The combination of the respite worker working with the counselor, it just seemed to work.
Respite was wonderful, and the counseling service, our counselor is Tiffany, and she is awesome. NJ responds to Tiffany and the med services. Emily gets her to talk about how the medicine is affecting her.
So I started to meet with NJ for medication management just about 2 years ago. When we first started to meet, she was definitely not very comfortable with talking to me. And as we had more time together, she was able to tell me that she didn't feel like medication had ever worked for her, and she didn't feel like it was helpful. And she was able to express to me why, so that we could work together to find something that helped her better than what she had been on in the past.
Our experience has been such that the counseling that we've received through Oakland Family Services has been spot on what we needed to deal with the level of trauma that NJ's gone through.
If we had not found Oakland Family Services, I think NJ would still be in her room. I think she might have attempted suicide.
From our perspective, I see NJ's future as having a direction. I'm starting to get hugs from her from time to time, which blows me away.
Oakland Family Services knows what to recommend. They know the resources that you need, and they get you those resources. They don't just give you one thing. They get you a complete picture.
Oakland Family Services, assisting individuals and families on a pathway to hope to build brighter futures.